Good morning, class. I hope everyone is doing well. Happy Monday. This is a review for your math test that you will be taking on Study Island. If you don't remember your password, you should have your password on your iPad under your notes. A little review. Standard form. Standard form is simply the number. So if I have 526, I am simply going to write that number 526 out using digits. Expanded form, remember expanded, okay, we are talking about a word that is, for one, it's long, and when we write it in expanded form, the number seems to get longer, but it is the exact same number. So expanded form, we have 500 plus 20 plus 6, okay? The 500 is in the hundreds place. The 2 is in the tens place. That is equal to 20. And the 6 is in the ones place. And that is written as 6. If we look at the next thing we did, we ordered numbers. Remember the one thing when we order numbers, the easiest thing to do is to line the numbers up with their ones place. So if I were to line these numbers up, I would write 2,345, 2,435, and 2,543. And the key here is that we get the ones place lined up. Notice my ones place is lined up right here. Okay. After that, we go over and look at the largest place value. So here we have 2, 2, and 2, so that's not different. If we look at our hundreds place, though, we have 300, 400, and 500. So these are actually in order from least to greatest, written like this: 2,345, 2,435, and 2,543. If it's asking you to go from greatest to least, the numbers would be flipped. We have a 500, 400, and then 300. And they all have 2,000s. Moving on to our next little bit. Rounding numbers. Okay, this is, some of us struggle with this, so a little recap. Let's just say we're rounding 456 to the nearest 100. So the easiest thing to do is find that place value. Okay, circle our number, look next door, 5 or greater, which it is. We can add one more to the hundreds place. Numbers to the left, there isn't any, stay the same. Numbers to the right, which would be the 5 and the 6, 0 is your name. So 456 rounded to the nearest 100 is equal to 500. 522, let's just round that to the nearest tens place. Find the tens place, look next door, 5 or greater. It isn't, add one more. Numbers to the left stay the same, so this 5 does not change. Numbers to the right, which is this 2, 0 is your name. So 520 would be the rounded number. Let's just round 54 to the nearest 10. Circle our number, look next door, 5 or greater, add one more. Numbers to the left stay the same. Numbers to the right, 0 is your name. That would be rounded to 50. One more thing that we can do to help us is if we make our mountains. Remember here, we're rounding to the nearest 100, so we would have 400 here, 500 here, in the middle would be 450. Anything larger, or 450 or larger, is going to fall to 500. Here we're rounding to the nearest 10, so we'd either have 520 or 530. Oops, that's kind of bad. So anything 525 or larger would round down. Anything under would round to 520, which is our case. And I think you get the picture for 54. And the last slide here, I thought I'd surprise you. This is our baby girl, Brinley Grace Boomgarden. This was a picture right after she was born. She was born September 19th at 9:26 in the morning. She was 8 pounds 6 ounces, and she is extremely excited to come meet you guys. I can't give you a specific date on when she'll be coming, but she will come to see you guys at some time. I hope you have a good day. If you have any questions, remember that you can send me a message on Schoology. I should be able to get to your messages today. Please don't send me messages such as "How is the baby doing?" I will try and keep you updated. Thank you and have a good day.